Superintendents across Allen County are sounding the alarm over rising property taxes and declining state support for public schools. They say Ohio is shifting the cost of education onto local taxpayers. In a joint letter, 10 Allen County superintendents cited data showing Ohio's share of K through 12 funding has dropped significantly over the last 20 years. While the national average shows states covering about 45% of those costs, Ohio now covers just over 33%. Educators say the difference in funding has been passed on to local homeowners through higher property taxes.
We feel there's a lot of misinformation that's being spread about property taxes and what's causing the property taxes to go up and where the money is going and how it's being used. So this was really generated to help clarify some of that misinformation.
Kupferberg says this misunderstanding has led to calls for eliminating property taxes altogether, an idea he says could devastate schools, fire departments, libraries, and other services that rely on local tax revenue. He says many districts are already falling behind as inflation drives up costs for staffing, transportation, and student programs.
The public schools have had to rely on property taxes much more because of the amount of state funding is going down, especially with inflation that goes up for all of us. And that's really sad because if you go back to the DeRolf decisions that started back in the 1990s, the reason that the school funding system was found unconstitutional, there was really two reasons, but the main reason was we relied too much on local property taxes. Well, now with changes that our legislatures have made, we rely even more on local property taxes. So what they have done is really made the funding system even more unconstitutional.
The superintendents are also calling on lawmakers to revise House Bill 186, a tax reform measure that they say has gone through multiple changes, weakening support for local schools and governments. They're asking residents to contact legislators and stay informed. You can read the full letter from Allen County school leaders on our website at hometownstations.com.